This is a demonstration of Task Factory. Task Factory is a collection of custom SSIS components for your bids environment. In this video, I will demonstrate the advanced lookup cache transform. The advanced lookup cache transform just creates a cache to use with the advanced lookup transform in Task Factory. In this example, I have data coming from a source and going into the advanced lookup cache transform. If I open the advanced lookup cache transform, I can view all of the column mappings. In the advanced lookup cache connection manager, I can see the columns and their data types. And there's also a tab for input parameters. The input parameters are used for the lookup transform. It's the column that we actually join the data on. In this case, the column that I will be using is the business entity ID. And below that, you'll see input parameter conditions. The input parameter conditions allows users to perform more of a ranged lookup. You have the lookup table column and the compare method. In this case, I'll be looking for equals, and then the input parameter, the business entity ID. Also, on the Available Columns tab, users have the option of adding more columns to this cache, just by giving it a name and choosing the data type, and certain other options. This is one of the many features of Task Factory.